Dodge Charger Hellcat SRT. Look at that. You know what that means? This is what it sounds like from before. It's only got 300 miles on it. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. We're not going to rev it too high because it's only got 300 miles. One more. All right. There you go. 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat. It's only got 300 miles on it. And the 300 miles is when he bought it, he drove 3 hours to get here. So you can tell it's still practically brand new. What we got done on it, he watched a few of our videos and he said he wanted the DYNOMAX race bullets. So that's what we got done for him. Factory converters there and there. Factory X pipe there. Then there's the DYNOMAX race bullets right there, 24 250s. Right there. DYNOMAX race bullets. Rear delete. Still got the valves. And 5-inch tips right there. And right there, roll. As you guys can see, came out absolutely beautiful. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and sharing is caring. Much better. Let's see your smile. Approve? Yeah. I'm going to put you on YouTube. Yes or no? All right, good. Go ahead. Sound decibels. Again. He's only revving it a little bit too, 118. So it's probably like 122 if he revs it higher. You want to rev it higher? Rev it higher! Yeah, 119. Yeah, it'll be about 122. I like the way you think. Go ahead and back it up. I want a Hellcat. I know. Yeah, this is raw power. Again. That's beautiful. Let you guys hear on the inside. I like that color, man. That's a different. That's beautiful. Look at it in the sun, how it changes. Oh, wow.
I like the little glitter.
Yeah. That's awesome. Whoa. He's ready to go. Beast mode. Yeah, man. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome.